We are standing here on a balcony that's going to be overlooking the American River, Folsom Lake, and miles of views. Welcome to Auburn, California.
Today we're so excited to share with you this custom-built home that has 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, and 3,100 square feet. Not only are we excited to show you the views of this home, but all of the custom upgrades that it has. Are you guys ready?
I'm ready.
Let's go.
Let's go, come on.
Check out this chef's dream kitchen. You have a large island, quartz countertop, European custom-made cabinets, and check out this handmade Moroccan tile backsplash. Isn't it beautiful? In this part of the house, you have your laundry room, a full bedroom, and a bathroom.
And as we make it on the 3rd floor, you have this loft that's going to lead you to the master bedroom, master bathroom, and amazing views off this balcony. And down here on the lower level, you have your family room, 2 bedrooms, 1 bath, and this full balcony overlooking the Folsom Lake and American River.
Hey guys, we hope you enjoyed this video of this beautiful home tour in Auburn, California.
I absolutely love the views, right?
Yeah.
I would love to have a view with a lake, a river. This house has both. If you guys have any questions, make sure you comment. You can DM us as well. If you want any information on this house, any houses like this, any questions you guys have, that's what we're here for. So hope you enjoyed the tour.
If you guys are new to our channel, make sure to give a little love to that subscribe button, and we'll catch you on the next video. Bye.